Welcome, everybody. We are a few days away from this year's Co-Liv Summit. And today I have a very special person, Christian Schmitz, who is on one side global lead at shared living and workplaces at SALTO Systems, and on the other side also has another hat as head of the tech community at Co-Liv. SALTO Systems became one of the big partners of this year's Co-Liv Summit and is dedicating its efforts towards the innovation scene. Now, we're going to dig into that into today's talk. Christian, the floor is yours. Who are you? Please introduce yourself very quick to the audience. And I'd love to ask you a question, why is innovation important to you?
Thank you. It's a pleasure. Thanks for having me. My name is Christian. I'm the global lead for shared living and workspaces at SALTO Systems. And I'm also super passionate about how we live and how we work. And this brought me to CoLiv, and I'm here, the head of tech. You ask why innovation is important to me personally. So I like always to go back to its simplest definition. So to me, innovation is the creation, development, and implementation of a new product, process, or services with the aim of improving the efficiency and effectiveness or competitive advantage, so to say. So a young and so powerful asset class like co-living, and with so many facets and blends from other industries. So we have the PBSA, student housing, the hospitality in general. The scene deserves innovation and a holistic approach. I think the two of us, Guy, believes that co-living is an answer to many challenges, and like accessibility, affordability, an answer to the new generation lifestyles. It appeals at psychological and graphical movement, and that's where we have to have more innovation, and that's personally why it's so important to me.
Yes, and honestly, this is why I'm very honored that it's SALTO Systems that's coming to support the innovative actors. They're going to be showcased at the CoLiv Summit, because your work has really been truly innovative, not only at SALTO, but also within the tech community. And that's been really truly outstanding. So let's get concrete. Where do you see innovation needed in the tech scene?
Yeah, good question. Where do I see innovation in the tech scene? SALTO, from a SALTO standpoint of view, tech is here for collaboration in a customer-centric way. An obvious goal for us is to improve the user experience, opening doors, using the digital key, the Apple Wallet, or even face recognition in the near future. Managing those user experience and permissions is the best, in the best and the most seamless way. That's where we stand for at SALTO Systems. In general, it's all about property health, what I call property health, the new green buildings, and the user experience and interconnections on city level. So that's again a linked topic with us at SALTO. So as data opens the door, so the learning of big data, so those data lakes for multi-application approaches leaves a lot of opportunities to all of us in the field to get better innovative applications to our customers and end customers, the users of our services. The biggest potential is still, and that's what I always repeat saying, is still a more effective way of collaborating between tech partners to allow more efficient end user applications. This is why, and what the tech community actually stands for, coming back to the CoLiv part. So collaboration and community is the key, and making sure that everybody who's interested, obviously, it's not a must, can be empowered with a better understanding what certain technologies can do for you, for an operator, on guest level, built on your individual core product values and needs. So there are some short-term, middle, and long-term goals. I think middle term, we definitely have to rethink cities. In terms of the use of technology and prop tech, it's definitely the usage of AI, blockchain, crypto. This will allow complete new models, and especially looking into, I know you're also passionate about that, fractional ownership models. In the end, I also believe that we cannot know what will be feasible in 10 years from now. We can predict, we can be a visionary, but what now already is feasible with 5G, and what do we see with landing zones for drones and all of that stuff. Let's see, let's come together to form the right community and to do it together. So that is what my aim would be, in order to get all the experts together to really get behind and beyond what we even can think about.
Wow, to be honest, a lot of these topics that you mentioned like really resonate also on a personal level. I think one of the things where we're really aligned is thinking about the end user, right? How the innovation and technology and products that we're creating is actually going to serve the end customer, and really being human-centered, user-centered in our approach of building things. Now, I know that you have a lot of goals in terms of innovation within the co-living industry. And there's a lot of knowledge also that you have. You know, what do you think are the most important topics within the co-living industry that need to be tackled?
Topics for the co-living industries. Now, I think first, learning. It never goes without a clear idea of what the core product values and targeted ICA, so the ideal customer avatar, is about. So having a clear understanding of the concept, the individual concept, the architect, the design, the technology, the community approach, that is key. And at the moment, for many operators in the current state, it's all about efficient scaling. For the same time, we have new regulations coming up, new goals, looking after ESG, so the E, the S, and the G in mind. So that can be challenging for retrofit designs, also for new construction. What shall I do to build the building right? So that is key also to be multi-purpose in the built and operating environment. So there I really would like to bring more awareness, and I think co-living industry can pick up brilliantly in those, especially in the S of the ESG. And I think again, technology can be a facilitator in here to help the S growing, where many operators in other industries are even see way more challenges.
Yeah, I really resonate with all of these topics, you know, from the legal parts, there's so much that needs to be done, to operational excellence. And I mean, a lot of these topics actually we're going to dig into at the CoLiv Summit. We have like 40 different speakers who are going to attend and share like 10-minute short talks about their expertise, from architecture and modular design to business models reinvented and blockchain and even like combining technology with psychology. So what are the topics that and what in general are you looking forward to at this year's summit?
Yeah, so the CoLiv Summit is really close. What I really look to get out of the CoLiv Summit is first of all to have a good exchange with everybody, having fruitful conversations, and I think this is the best network and networking opportunity for all of us to get again together, for those being physically present in Bansko, a super recommended village city to go to, for those who weren't, or virtual.
Thank you. And now before we head off, let's give a little sneak peek to everyone, because you at SALTO Systems and your team, you are planning to do a special report after the summit. Can you tell us a bit more about it?
Yeah, thanks for that, Gui. We also decided to create a discussion report after the summit, and we would like to dive deeper with all innovation stars and share this report with you afterwards. So it's basically a way deeper exchange with those who presenting innovation, making sure that we highlight it, and yeah, I can say stay tuned and join us.
Well, Christian, thank you so much for all of these insights. And we're truly, truly honored to have SALTO Systems and you and your team join this CoLiv Summit and co-creating it with us. And to everyone, if you attend the summit, you will also get the report. We're going to send it out in our newsletter once you have created it. So really looking forward to that. And Christian, see you on Monday. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Guy. Thank you, CoLiv.
Bye.